What are HoneyShots NFTs? HoneyShots are NFTs that almost works exactly like a lottery ticket. With that lottery ticket, you can anticipate to one of the biggest NFT raffles going on currently in the crypto industry and win prizes ranging from more valuable NFTs to less valuable NFTs. Next to that, you also can get some extra benefits within the Fancy Bears Meta community, such as access to purchase one of their tickets to their events, generic merge, or treat swap mints within the Fancy Bears NFT collection.